In this video, you will find your celebration plan document in Google Drive and reopen it. Google Drive is like an online filing system for your digital documents. Whenever you create a new file with a Google app, like a document in Google Docs, it will automatically be saved online in your Drive. To access your Drive, open a new tab by clicking the plus sign to the right of your Open tab. If your tab doesn't automatically take you to Google, type google.com in the navigation bar and press Enter. Then, click the Google Apps icon to open the menu again. Find Google Drive in the menu and click on it. In your Drive, you'll be able to see every file you've created with Google Workspace, including your celebration plan. Quickly click twice on your celebration plan to open it. This action is called a double click. Now it's your turn. Open your Google Drive and double-click to reopen your celebration plan. When you're done, switch back to the tab with the videos on it and click Next to watch your next video.